Hi, I'm Justin Conway, and today I'm going to show you how to remove dashes in Excel. The question that I get a lot is, how to take the dashes out of an Excel sheet, and this could mean a lot of different things. So, depending on which dashes you're talking about, I'm going to try and cover as many different ways of explaining that as I can think of. So, one way is if you're talking about the dashes in a border, that's easily fixed. You just select the cells that have those dashes. So right now these dashes in here, these two rows of dashes, are top and bottom border. So we're going to select those cells, right click, and let's try that one more time. So right click and go to Format Cells, and then in the border area you can see that the dashes are selected here. You can either click in these boxes to get rid of those lines, or click None, click OK, and the dashes are gone. Another way to possibly view this question is, let's say we had like a phone number, and let's just type one in there real quick, and we have these dashes in here and we want to remove those. Easiest way to do that is with the Find Replace command, and the two quick ways to get to that: either Command F on an Apple, and then in here in the Find area you would type what you're trying to find and type a dash, and then click on Replace, and then Replace With we're going to leave blank. So that's basically going to say I'm going to replace the dash with nothing, therefore deleting it. So we'll hit Replace All, and if we go back to our Excel sheet, I'll close that out, we can see that the dashes were removed from the numbers. The other way to get to that function is going to Edit and Replace, and you'll find the same drop-down menu. And that's how to remove dashes in Microsoft Excel. I hope that answered your question, and my name is Justin Conway. Thanks. Enjoy.